Okay, folks, welcome back. We have an update on the 1960 T-Bird clock here. So I've gone through this. I've very carefully applied some white lithium grease to the various little cogs and gears in here. Used a little bit of Scotch-Brite there and touched up the points there. And using this really kind of janky soldering iron from Advanced, I was able to resolder the coil there. So hopefully this should work. We shall see. It's kind of hard to do while holding the camera, but if I can show you here, I was able to get this mechanism to turn and work if it'll cooperate with me. So everything in there does move now is the point. So I'm going to go ahead and put this back together and we are going to see what happens. I'm just going to prop the camera up here. Oh, by the way, this is my office. Bookshelf, shop manuals, various odds and ends. That's the air cleaner for the T-Bird, of course. Brake line flaring kit, which I got all too familiar with recently, and some other parts, odds and ends. And a little more on why I'm doing what I'm doing. A lot of my friends kept asking me to please put up some videos since I work on all these strange cars, unique cars, antique cars. I do work at a restoration shop, privately owned, in Spartanburg, South Carolina. I've been doing that for a year there and working on my brother and brother-in-law's private collection here for a little over a year. Several interesting things here to work on. Of course, we've got 1954 MGTF that's got a late 60s Volvo engine in it. Lots of videos to come on that car. We've got this one that I'm already getting lots of questions about, which is a 2006 Aston Martin DB9 Volante convertible. Beautiful car. Pearl white, blue leather, blue top. And here's my little guy, my 1993 Mazda Miata, my pride and joy. I love this little thing. And plenty of videos to come on that. But yeah, I'm just doing this because I love what I do, and I'm never sure of who might want to see some of this, or who might need help working on things that maybe there's not much information for. So hopefully some of you will find something useful in what I do here, and will enjoy some of these videos, and if nothing else, you'll at least get to see some cool cars. But thank you again, everybody, for the support and the views, and have a nice evening.